Hey, what's going on? It's been a long time since I've seen y'all, and it's been well over a year since I made my last video on selling options. I just want to give a quick life update of what's been going on with me and where the hell I've been. So let's start it off with the portfolio, okay? So with the portfolio, I've doubled my value, my net worth in over the year and a half, and that's absolutely bonkers. And with the whole COVID-19 pandemic, definitely unexpected results, and selling options has been great. I've switched more of my strategies to innovation funds like ARK Invest, and that's paid off huge dividends. They don't pay dividends, but you know what I mean. And I wanted to talk about the direction I'm going with the channel, and with investing and all that, it's been great, but I want to go more into the mindset and the fitness aspects of who I am. So for those that don't know, I've done powerlifting in the past, roughly about 9 competitions. It's always been a passion of mine, but now it's switched over to fat loss. And speaking of powerlifting, my best list, 640 deadlift, 525 squat, 305 bench. And I really wanted to teach you guys how we can do this in the natural perspective and how it relates to investing. So I'm really excited to share all this, these details, as well as my fat loss journey. I'm gonna be start from 220 pounds, 5'7". I got fat as part of my language. I got fat as hell, and man, I really wanted to document my journey and how I'm planning to lose that fat, and show you how to do this methodically with the fat loss from starting at 220 pounds and going all the way down to 165. Okay, the last time I did my cut, I went down from 206 to 163, or actually, pardon me, 161, and I really think that there's value to be provided for how to do this for drug-free athletes, right? And getting as shredded as possible, okay? For improving, this is in the past, it has improved my self-confidence, right? And also my health and my energy levels. With the whole COVID-19 outbreak, pandemic, right? I was stuck in my apartment all day, and I live with my girlfriend, and I'm eating absolute trash. I really had no excuse except to be accountable for my own actions, and to be able to document this video journey progress, right? I'm really excited to share with you guys. I'll continue doing investing videos, right, with how to essentially value investing, but also from not just from the traditional standpoint, but also how to actually do it from, say, looking into more innovative companies like Tesla and Palantir. So I'm really excited, and I'll catch you all guys in the next video. Take care.